Hi, I'm Dr. Homer, the clinic director here at Peak Injury Solutions, and today we're going to talk about a commonly missed muscle that gets treated with a lot of ongoing shoulder problems. So a lot of people have shoulder pain, they don't know where it comes from, they've had a lot of bad treatments or treatments that didn't work on them, or they've even maybe had this muscle treated but never really found relief. So the muscle we're talking about is deep in the armpit. It's called the subscapularis muscle, and it has a lot to do with how stable the shoulder can be, but also with range of motion. So if people have problems reaching to unhook their bra, or if you have problems like washing your hair or lifting up, or even just holding things up over your head for a long time, you probably have scar tissue in this muscle. So we're going to demonstrate a treatment today and show you what that looks like here in our office. So a lot of common misconceptions is that this can either be treated effectively by massage therapists, which is not true, or with a tool, which again is not true. It's way too deep and it's too intimately tied into nerves and blood vessels. You definitely want to stick anything up in there like an instrument. We use an assistant, and that creates very effective treatment. So I'll have Dr. Cussy come over here, and she's gonna help me with this treatment. So we want to get some lotion in there because this is a very sensitive area to get treated. Go ahead and take Dr. Cussy. Good, one more. So if you've had ongoing shoulder problems, you have deep pain and tension, you just haven't been fixed with other treatment methods, definitely reach out and see if we can help. We specialize in shoulders and neck here at Peak, and we treat scar tissue. So if you've had an ongoing shoulder problem and you haven't found effective relief, then click the link below to learn more about our office and see if you're a good fit for what we do. And as always, if you like what you saw, give us a like, share it with someone that you think we can help, or always message us with any questions you have or any topics you'd like for us to cover. Have a great day.